National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ford County and east central Illinois, Iroquois County and east central Illinois, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Martinton to 7 miles northwest of Paxton to near Fisher, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watseka, Paxton, Gibson City, Gilman, Milford, Onarga, Sheldon, Cessna Park, Buckley, Martinton, Stockland, Crescent City, Danforth, Melvin, Loda, Beaverville, Roberts, Woodland, Donovan, Elliott, Wellington, Fargo, Papineau, Iroquois, and Clarence. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.